Hello, I am Bob. This is my channel about success, money and investment. Today, I will introduce you 8 tips to help you stick to your New Year resolutions. New Year resolutions, we all have experienced that, setting goals for the coming year, when we are full of energy and motivation, feeling like we're gonna move the mountains. But after a week or so, we start breaking the promises we made at the beginning of the year. We skip our daily workout, or eat a full pack of chips or a cake, or spend the whole day watching TV shows instead of being productive. And you know what? We are not alone. Me, you and 92% of Americans fail to stick to their resolutions. Impressive, right? The thing is, though, that I have some tips and tricks for you today about how to keep your New Year resolutions to the very end. But before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting content. First of all, it's important to start with one particular thing, one part of your life you want to change. Realize what's that one habit you want to change the most and go for it. Make it something concrete that you can realistically set your goal on. It should be specific, achievable, concrete. And you know, what's the beauty of setting the goals like this? If you're successful with the first small change, you are more likely to go ahead and make another change after. Always dream big. That's where the motivation begins. Ambitious aim inspires others around you, and you may get some extra help yourself. Because encouragement and support are so important when setting and working on goals of your lifetime. But be careful. Because if you don't break down the big idea into small enough steps, you may become overwhelmed, and that's where the chances of giving up increase. And we don't want that, right? No, we don't. So, while it's up to you, make it easy to stay on track. Understand why you're doing this. Be fully aware of the both costs and benefits of changing the unhealthy behavior, for example, of overeating or smoking. And you know you're going to be successful when adopting new behavior seems more attractive than standing in place. Commit yourself. Make yourself accountable with verbal or written promise to yourself or to people you don't want to let down, or the group of people with the same goal on Facebook. This will encourage you to keep going. Keep commitment cards by your bed or your bathroom mirror, saying like, "I enjoy healthy lifestyle," or "I'm committed to learning French till the end of the year." After setting a goal and breaking it down into smallest steps possible, the next step is to plan for achieving it, like setting time in your schedule and making sure that you have the resources available when you need them. Get everything ready, like trainers and appropriate shoes if you're taking up running. Pick a date. And the date does not have to be next Monday, or the start of the next month. Start whenever you feel most ready based on your mental state, your motivation and inner peace with yourself, because without true will of yourself, nothing's ever going to work. And the most important is to accept failure and learn to forgive yourself. The journey as big as this one will not come without problems, and you can't predict each of them, so you should learn to get up, dust off, learn the lesson and keep moving on. Being down is sometimes a part of life, and all you got to do is to learn how to move on and don't give up. Track your progress, be thankful and reward yourself after even a little success. Don't wait to call yourself a winner until the last mile of your big dream marathon. Small rewards are great encouragement to keep you going through the hardest first days. Make yourself a present. Be it a cup of good black coffee just like Agent Dale Cooper from Twin Peaks, or a trip to movies, or whatever you wish for. You deserve it. Finally, remember that there are people who will always be happy to cheer you up. Whatever your plans and goals are for this year, I do wish you luck with them, but remember, it's your life and you make your own luck. I'm here for you if you're having a hard time planning your life-changing resolutions. I'll be waiting for you in DM, anytime you wish a little chat with a close friend. If you like the video about tips and tricks of sticking to New Year resolutions, like and subscribe to my channel to be the first to get the updates about being more productive, to keep your resolutions and be successful. I'll walk you through this step by step.